Simpho. Nikhulume nafika phona nobhuti.
Ungitshelile about daba kaLindelo and stuff. Azange saba ne-solution.
Lindelo ngicela
Yeah, silokele nje siyaphisa.
Ngikhuluma wena. Into eyikhulumile kimi ngicela uyikhulume sitas. Yes.
Uthi nalo Nkosi.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, ngicela ukhulume
Mina
ngitshela.
isazwana ngithi into bofuna.
Niyazwana kanjani niyazwana niyathandana.
Ku relationship.
Mpho wena uyayazi indaba yokuthi ku-relationship noLindelo?
Ngasho ukuthi ngiyayazi indaba yami noLindelo iqale before ngimithana noCyril.
Nakusekuphuma iphepha lokuthi kahle kahle labantu laba they were together in the group place before kuzofika umduduzi. Manje nje wakubuza manje waye ungamtsheli.
Bengina idea ukuthi uLindelo maybe she's around.
Okay.
Ngizwe ngiyislima ngoya waya kuphela umnyaka futhi ana. Yes,
Bekungekho easy ukuthi ngimtshele leyo nto leyo because of like ngiyamazi ukuthi uyangithanda kakhulu.
So mina ngicela ukubuza Cyril wena yingike kuphi assurance ukuthi vele mina noMpho ku relationship beside ukuthi mina like ngitshelile yini eyenza ukuthi ube na assurance ukuthi mina noMpho sazana.
I-boyfriend yakho wathi or girlfriend ukuthi into lephendwe ungansele yona.
Hawuseka i-boyfriend. Uthi angazi khona lapho wasibona khona khona la
hayi khona lapho ngibona khona mphukula iqiniso neqiniso straight endlini mangingena ngimtholela
Besenzani?
benilele nenzani
Ubonile mele wena usitshele. Asimtshelanga thina umuntu ukuthi siyazwana noMpho besifuna ukuthi azibonele.
Beningazi nina beningekho leyo December makanithola.
besikhona.
Manje njengoba nimbuza ukuthi bekayenzani phela beni-3 yangisho.
Angicabanga ukuthi Cyril ungakwatela ukuthi uLindelo ungibambile.
Bekakubambe kanjani because kuyahluleka ukubamba umuntu uyabona nami ngimbambile sana. But akusho ukuthi siku relationship. Bekakubambe kanjani azacabanga yena ukuthi wena noLindelo niku relationship.
Uyokumela asibone.
ngingasokuqala ngithi yakhumula ama kisses bengikhala ngawo ama messages bengikhala
WhatsApp. Bongakhali kimi mina ngazi next.
Awuthandi nje ukungibona ngihappy since from ekufikeni kwami kuMpho life ngiyampo ayongintroduce uLindelo azange azabe happy
But let's you lena iku relationship and when ungena i-relationship yabantu abayi-2 bo aware ukuthi wena baku relationship lapho.
Yeah.
So when you aware ukuthi you took a selfish approach ukuthi wena ungena phakathi kwabo, you are aware of that.
Hayi ukuthi uyongena phakathi kwethu.
Yena bekazi ukuthi nina ku relationship makahlangana nanethu. Bekangazi wena if kuukuthi into yenu beyi-solid and yena umuntu ongena phakathi kwenu why ningayaddressanga naye?
Asimtshelanga cause bayangasolo next.
And phezu kwalokho like uCyril umuntu wami mawuzomtshela izinto ezifana nalezo uba aggressive like anzithi ubully so yeah understand.
So fanele kube abe right ngokuthi wena uyamjolela.
Angibona into wrong because of ntombazane mos.
Nakanjani? Lo muntu phela ku relationship esakathola ukuthi wena ufaka isandla iphentini kumuntu wakhe. What do you call that? Kunani? Ngifuna yenze ngiyi-trophy. Mpho. Lindelo. Awuthiyami. All right. Sengithatha ne-strawberry mina. Ngifaka nama grapes phakathi mara izinto eningenzisa zona. It's wrong. Le grapes leli lingene phakathi kwenu. Nithi nina azange nilitshele because grapes leli liba aggressive. Don't you think umuntu angeke abe aggressive if ukuthi nimstringa along for 5 years of him not knowing this? Because mina in just this short space of time I've just realized ukuthi December uthema kanibona azange akwazi ukuyikhuluma because either nele naba defensive or 2 kwelonga bangathi yena ubona nje ubona imovie nje.
Ayikuthi kade abona imovie like bekufanele ayisho asasekhona uLindelo. You understand?
Yabona le ndaba ikhala epalini straight up. There's the number you have dialed does not exist lana. Aba understand ukuthi this is something wrong. What they're doing is not right.
To be honestly speaking,
Yeah.
to cut matters short, Cyril, mina kahle ngibhayo.
How Mpho now so keep iphepha lokuthi wena ukhatha ama matters short so sitshela ukuthi wena ubayo. First of all, yini bio? Ubio ini biology. Yeah.